Namaste, welcome everyone. I'm so excited to share with you this brand new Lunar Yoga series. This is a collection of practices and classes that you can do to honor the 4 main lunar cycles that we experience every single month. So in this program, you'll find yoga classes and breathing exercises, all with specific intentions depending on the moon cycle that we're in right now. So the 4 main cycles are the new moon, which is where we begin. So a time of darkness, of tuning in. We practice yin yoga and other restorative practices. We set our intention for what we want to work on over the course of the entire month. 1 week after the new moon is the waxing moon, or the first quarter moon. Energy levels start to rise, so we have a really nice, juicy, slow flow practice to help us put our intention into action. A week after that is the peak. It's the full moon, or the harvest moon. This is all about celebrating our achievements, honoring our progress, and refining our intention, so we have a more dynamic flow. And then a week after that, energy levels begin to wind back down with the third quarter moon, or the waning moon. And then we do some really powerful cleansing practices like pranayama, breath work, in order to figure out what we want to let go of, what is no longer serving us. So what we want to leave behind so that we don't carry it through with us over in the next lunar cycle, because after 1 week after the third quarter moon is the new moon, and then we start all over again. So this is a program wonderful for anyone who wants to take their practice just a little bit deeper beyond the physical, because we have meditation and journaling. There's a lot of opportunity for self-reflection and personal growth. Every time you begin this cycle again at the new moon, you're being called to really ask yourself what it is that you are missing in your life, what it is that you want more of. And we set an intention and we hold ourselves accountable for that intention following the rest of the practices throughout that month. This is wonderful for all levels. All you'll need are a couple blocks, and that's pretty much it. Just have a journal, a pen, and a really open mind. This is for men and women alike. Any kind of level that you're at will give you modification so that you can find a way to practice in a way that is suitable and accessible for your body at this time. I hope you'll decide to join me. You can get access to all of these practices by downloading my Yoga with Kassandra mobile app. So you can either just go to the App Store on your phone and search for Yoga with Kassandra, or you can just click the link down below in the description box. We do have a 7-day free trial, so you can give it a try, see what you think. I think you are going to love it. I made the app super user-friendly, very affordable, and there's lots of premium content on there that you cannot find on YouTube or anywhere else. And you also have the ability to download all of the content so that you can watch it offline without an internet connection. There are also no ads. And my favorite feature of the app is that we have a really neat calendar in there, so you can automatically track the classes that you've done. You can schedule classes for yourself in the future, and it just helps to keep you really accountable with your practice. So if Lunar Yoga is something that you've been interested in and you would like to sync up your yoga practice and your spiritual practices with the phases of the moon, this is the perfect introductory program for you. There's also a really great video in there that explains to you what the moon phases mean for you, how you can work with them. So if this is all like brand new concepts to you, you're not really sure what I'm talking about, don't worry, we have a great introductory video that goes in depth and tells you everything that you need to know. So all you need is a yoga mat, 2 blocks, an open mind, and of course, sign up by clicking either the link down below in the description box, or just head over to the App Store on your phone, search for Yoga with Kassandra, and you will find the Lunar Yoga program in there. Thank you so much. I look forward to practicing with you soon. Namaste.